Hello, in this video I will show you how to configure the Affiliate Press tiered commission rate add-on. Go to the Affiliate Press add-ons page. This is the Affiliate Press feature add-ons page. Now activate the tiered commission rate add-on. The add-on has been activated successfully. Now click the Configure button. This is the Affiliate Press Commission Settings page. Scroll down and locate the Tiered Affiliate Rates section. Affiliate Press provides two types of commission calculations. The first is sales count based, and the second is sales amount based. Select the option according to your requirements. Click the Add New button to add an option. Click the plus icon to add more options. And click the minus icon to remove an option. Now set the required thresholds and commission rates. The next option is Tiered Rate Expiration Monthly. When this option is enabled, the affiliate's tier progress is reset at the beginning of each calendar month. This means the affiliate must re-qualify for higher commission tiers every month by meeting the required thresholds again. After that, click the Save button to save the changes. Now go to the Affiliate Press Affiliates page. This is the Affiliate Press Manage Affiliates page. Here you can see all registered affiliate users. See, the first affiliate user's commission rate is set to 10. Now we will purchase a product using this affiliate user to test the commission calculation. Copy this affiliate user's affiliate link and go to the Commissions page. This is the Manage Commissions page. Here you can see all commission-related records. Before making the purchase, let's check the current commission balance of the affiliate user we are going to use. As you can see, this affiliate user already has 4 commission records. Now let's generate a 5th commission and verify whether the default commission rate is applied correctly. Open the affiliate link on the front end. Open the shop page. This is the shop page. Now purchase any product. This is the checkout page. Enter the required details. Select the payment method and enter the card details. After that, click the Place Order button. Product purchased successfully. Now go to the back-end side commissions page. See, a new commission record has been added. The commission amount is $15, which means the affiliate user received a 10% commission. Now purchase another product using the same affiliate user's affiliate link. Product purchased successfully. Now go to the back-end side commissions page. See, a new commission record has been added. The commission amount is $30 because this affiliate user has reached the first tiered commission milestone, and the commission rate has increased to 20%. Now go to the affiliates page. This is the Manage Affiliates page. As you can see, Joshua's commission rate is now 20%. Now go to the affiliate user's affiliate panel. This is the affiliate panel. Here you can also see that the commission rate is 20%. Here you can see the commission-related records. That's it. This is how you can configure and use tiered commissions in Affiliate Press.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.